Hello again, this is Tiana, and today I'm going to be talking about these pliers actually right here. Usually I do jewelry videos, but I wanted to take a little time and talk about how versatile this pair of pliers is. Now this is round nose plier that I got from pandahall.com. It's a good size, there's a good grip. The nose on them is nice and strong. It's got good grip, and you might notice that there is a little hole right there. That's for wire working. And there is also wire cutters right here. And this is extremely useful. Now, Pandahall calls them just regular round nose, but I've also heard this type of plier being called a rosary plier because of all the wire working that goes into making a rosary. But today I'm going to show you just how versatile this is and how this one tool can really make up for more than a few tools by making a pair of earrings. And I'm going to do simple drop earrings, and for that you're going to need 2 head pins, and I've got these 2 pretty purple stones that I'm going to use for the earrings. 2 spacers to go with them, and then of course 2 earring hoops. And I'm going to put these together using this one pair of pliers instead of what could have possibly been 3 pairs of pliers. So we're going to start off by putting our beads on our head pin. Just like that. And put the spacer on top. Now, normally somebody could use a pair of flat nose pliers to do the bend in this wire, but because these pliers have such a small, if you could see how small that tip is, I'm just going to go ahead and use the very end of this and bend my wire at a 90-degree angle, just like that. Now, where normally you might use a pair of wire cutting pliers like these here, this already has the wire cutter on it, so you're going to get the side that doesn't have the hole and face that towards your beads, and just cut your wire. Cut your wire. You've got a little space like that. Now you're going to actually use the round nose part. Take your wire just like that and roll it backwards onto itself. And these pliers, they make a nice little loop. So you can see how versatile they are. I just used them for bending, for cutting, and for looping, all for one plier. I'm going to go ahead and do this other one the same way. I'm going to bend it, cut it, and loop it back. Just like that. Rid of my scrap. And now we need to put it on our earring hook. So what I do is I'm going to find the spot where I looped it and torque it towards myself, kind of like you would do if you were opening a jump ring, so you don't lose that shape. You don't want to pull it open, just pull it out, and then thread that onto your earring wire and close it. Again, I'm using these same pliers to do all this. There's one earring. And I'll do the same, torque it open that way. Put on your earring wire and make sure it's nice and closed. And in less than 5 minutes, using one pair of pliers, you've got these cute little drop earrings. And that is the tool you need to do it. Love these pliers.